So here's some crazy news that just happened in the business world. Adobe just announced that they're going to be acquiring Figma in a deal worth $20 billion. If you don't know what Figma is, I'll show you real quick. Figma is basically a collaboration tool for companies. It allows you to do a lot of pretty cool stuff. You can create designs, you can create workflows. It's pretty flexible and you can really do anything with it, and it works really well for businesses, but even for individuals as well. Now, if we take a look at their traffic, we can see that it's constantly rising. Ever since I found out about Figma, I only see it growing. So it kind of makes sense why Adobe would buy it for this amount of money. But I wanted to make a video here mainly because when I saw this, it really inspired me. I thought, you know what? That's fucking crazy that a company can get acquired for $20 billion, like 20 with a B, you know, that's 20,000 millions, right? Am I doing that math right? I think that's right. That's just insane to me. So let's read about this a little bit. Adobe has announced that it's acquiring Figma, a popular design platform, for around $20 billion in cash and stock. After rumors surfaced early on Thursday about a potential acquisition, Adobe made it official in a press release shortly afterward. It's big news in the design and development world, particularly as Figma has been competing heavily with Adobe's XD products in recent years. Together, Adobe and Figma will reimagine the future of creativity and productivity, accelerate creativity on the web, advance product design, and inspire global communities of creators, designers, and developers, claims Adobe. The combined company will have a massive, fast-growing market opportunity and capabilities to drive significant value for customers, shareholders, and the industry. So here's kind of what's most interesting to me. Figma was first founded 10 years ago by Dylan Field and Evan Wallace, and the collaborative design platform has become key for many businesses in recent years. Thousands of designers and developers at Microsoft rely on Figma every day to build Office, Windows, and more. It's used so heavily at Microsoft that it has been testing the company's relationship with Adobe, a close partnership that will only get closer now. So pretty strategic move here by Adobe. They saw that Figma was getting a lot of market share, a lot of popularity, and they're like, hell no, we got to get in there. We got to just buy this company and make it ours. So Figma is all about the web, which is something Adobe and other rivals have been struggling to compete with. Adobe now plans to combine its own community with Figma, and it's likely that will involve bundling Figma products and services into Adobe Creative Suite at some point in the future. That would be really cool. I use Adobe for editing and stuff like that, so that'd be pretty dope. Until then, Figma will remain untouched for now. We plan to continue to run Figma the way we have always run Figma, continuing to do what we believe is best for our community, our culture, and our business, explains Dylan Field, co-founder and CEO of Figma. Adobe is deeply committed to keeping Figma operating autonomously. Field will continue to serve as CEO and report to Adobe President David Wadhwani. So pretty interesting news in the business world, as I said in the intro here. Honestly, this is great motivation for anybody building a company nowadays. And this is what I talk about sometimes, that it's so valuable to build a brand. Obviously, maybe you're not going to be building a brand of this scope, but you never know. And no matter what you're building, it's going to have some tangible value, right? Like it's going to be a valuable asset that you can one day exit for potentially billions of dollars. This is motivation to me. It should be motivation to you. And it all starts with a simple step, which is getting started, you know, getting your feet wet in some sort of business, developing skills. And there's never been a better time to do that, especially with YouTube, and especially if you're subscribed to this channel, since we talk about shit like this every day. But that's about it. Just wanted to talk about this real quick. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.